Another perfectly good Sunday ruined!
Broke it. Wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly. Coffee and cream, my favoritist. Stupid thing is, in order to get that shot, I have to set up the camera outside, then go inside just to come out again.
Baldy.
Somebody's rich. Gotta be careful, don't want to take the pith. Pith as in the white bits. In the words of Gordon Ramsay, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, the egg is slightly overcooked. Just the way I want it. Still better than undercooked cheese, isn't it, Gordon?
Turn that over. Yeah, how crispy that is. Beautiful. Look at that. The cheese has melted. Oh my goodness me.
It's 10:30 in the morning. I'm literally just killing time now. Much better. I'm bored. Typical. She called me like half hour ago, and the phone was on silent while I was piss-assing around. I got 1% battery, so going outside isn't an option right now. It's 12 o'clock. I'm meeting the lady outside the house. So I'm gonna walk up there now. I don't know where to start. The lady gave me the keys and everything. She just left. She showed me how to put the gas on. The heaters are on. I don't understand. I'm not a big fan of the bath, toilet and sink, but I don't think I'm going to bother changing it, or at least not right now. Water has gone in between there, so I need to rip these tiles out. This roof needs painting with bathroom paint and not paint. Oh dear. That's not good. Yeah, I'll probably get rid of these. Still no heat from these. Maybe these are off. Oh, it's on 0. So the stairs might need a little work. Oh, that's on 5. Okay. Turn that down. So I was thinking of putting a bed here. I'll get a small double bed. Oh well, it should fit there. I did measure here. It's like 4 foot something. Got a skylight in here. Media room in this room, or next door. Next door has more smooth walls though for a projector. I don't know, man. This would be an okay media room actually. I could put my computer games that side. I don't know. Right. And the bedroom or the media room, whichever one I decide. See, this has more smooth walls, hangers. So yeah, I can't use that wall anyway. And that one has them too. Bollocks. Right. So maybe I am going with this room as the cinema room. I can fill this crack in. Yeah, this is the cinema room now. Oh, look at that! I've only been here 5 minutes and I've already changed which room I'm gonna have the media room in. I'll have to paint this more of a all dark, right? Guess I'll get my projector and figure that out. There's more plugs in this room. Maybe the media room has to be this room then. Does that close? No, this door doesn't close. That's great. Oh, bollocks. Ooh, that's bright. I took the bulb out of that. I've got an idea. I'm gonna go buy some paint. What is that? What does that do? Jeez, that's small. I guess you don't really need a big one, do you? Maybe I should do that post where everyone goes like that, puts it on Facebook. Got my house keys. That's strange. All right, I'm gonna pick out the paint. That's $7.50. That's $13.50. Might as well go with that, right? 12 quid, that'll do. I guess I'm gonna need smoother for whatever wall the projector goes on. Now here's the tough bit, because I've got to choose the colours now. So I want dark colours for the bedroom and the media room. So upstairs is all going to be dark. Black and red, I think I'm going to go for. So these emulsions are 3 for 2. I'm thinking of getting 2 rich black and 1 pepper red. So that's 91 quid on paint and paint related products. I took this off and now I don't know how to get it back on. It's a pain in the ass. Oh, come on, dude. That took forever to get back on. You pain in the ass. I was gonna paint this evening. I don't know if I can be bothered. I've set the Wi-Fi up. I'll come back like later on tonight. Try the projector and see which room I prefer as the media room. Today's been hectic. I've got my head up my arse. I've been to buy paint and I've moved some stuff in. Other than that, I haven't really done much. I guess I've ordered a curry. I'm in Llanberis now. I've ordered a curry. I'm just waiting for it to be ready. And I'm going to go back to my mum's, where my bed and everything still is. I'm going to put on a film, eat the curry and have a beer and just relax for the night, and then I'll sort the rest out tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video.
Oh my goodness me.